15 prep steps for the virtual deal meeting.
Number 1, reliable internet connection.
Now check the connection beforehand. Hardwired is better for dependability than wireless, so you want to run a wire to that device if possible.
Number 2, acceptable webcam and microphone or phone camera and microphone.
Now some laptops can work fine if you're seated right in front of it and you don't wander far from the microphone.
Now, the audio is more important than people realize. The seller has to listen to you for a long time.
Yeah, if you keep cutting out or sound like you're talking from the bottom of a well or through a tin can, it's hard to listen to you and it'll actually hurt you in 3 different ways.
The first way it hurts you is you lose professionalism.
Yeah, it looks like you can't figure out your own internet connection. Number 2, it makes it hard to build rapport. And 3, even harder to negotiate.
Yes, for the best quality audio, use a wireless lapel microphone.
Yes.
You can get it from Amazon.
These are just like what we're wearing here.
That's right.
And you can also get a good webcam from Amazon, maybe one you can adjust for exposure and color. I know that we found one for about $250 that you could zoom in and have a lot of nice features. Now you can mount this webcam on the top of your laptop, or you can put it on a tripod as well.
Many phones now have excellent cameras, but the microphones don't sound as great.
The microphone might actually be pretty good on your phone, but you're not going to be standing right next to it the way you are with a wireless microphone where it's like 6 inches from your mouth. That's going to be many feet away, and that's why it sounds echoey when you're off mic. In the pro world, that's what they call it. That person is off mic, meaning they don't have a body mic. Now, the internet connection is also very important to you looking good and having this work right and having the audio be correct. And if the connection is unreliable on a wireless phone, for instance, you're going to be cutting in and out potentially.
Number 3, professional background.
Books, plants, pictures, those are all good in your background. You want it to look professional, like Lynette said. Try not to have a bed in the background, especially not an unmade bed, because that does not look so professional.
We love it when you like a clip.
It's even better when you leave a comment.
Plus, you can be nice and share it with others.
And remember to subscribe to get notified of new great videos.